This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Carefully prise the front indicator and fog light surround trim from place. Undo the 2 retaining bolts and pull the light unit forwards. Rotate the indicator bulb holder anti-clockwise and withdraw it. Pull the capless wedge type bulb from the holder. Press the new bulb firmly into the holder, then insert it into the light unit and rotate it clockwise slightly. Depress the clip and disconnect the fog light bulb wiring plug. Rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise and withdraw it from the light unit. Note that the bulb is integral with the holder. Insert the new fog light bulb into the light unit, then rotate it clockwise slightly. Firmly reconnect the wiring plug. Note how the locating pin engages, then manoeuvre the light unit into position. Refit the retaining bolts and tighten them securely. Press the light unit surround trim firmly back into place. Main beam bulb. Remove the rubber cap from the rear of the headlight. Pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminal. Release the retaining clip and withdraw the bulb. Insert the new bulb into the reflector. Note that due to the shape of the bulb flange, it will only fit correctly in one position. Fold over and secure the retaining clip. Press the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb terminal. Refit the rubber cap to the rear of the headlight. Pull the rubber cap from the rear of the headlight. Rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise slightly and withdraw it. Pull the bulb from the holder. Press the new bulb firmly into the holder, then insert it into the reflector and twist it clockwise slightly. Note that the bulb holder will only fit correctly in one position.